Welcome to another exciting read-along with Mr. Gaynair. Today our book is entitled About Birds, a Guide for Children, written by Catherine Sill, illustrated by John Sill. Birds have feathers. Do you see the bird? What color are its feathers? Red. Baby birds hatch from eggs. Do you see the baby bird? There it is. How many eggs are there? One that just hatched, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 eggs, one that already hatched. Some birds build nests on ground. Do you see the bird? Ah, there it is. It's a pretty brown bird. Do you see its nest? Ah, there it is. What did it build its nest with? It looked like it found soft twigs to build its nest with on the ground. Some build in very high places. Look at the eagle. It's carrying a branch, and it's building a really big nest on top of the tree. Wow. And some do not build a nest at all. Ooh, penguins! Did you know penguins are birds too? They can't fly, but they are birds because they have feathers and they lay eggs. Cool. Birds travel in different ways. Wow, a flock of geese! How many birds do you see in this front group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, there are 11 geese in this flock. Look at them fly away. Most birds fly. Wait, can you find the birds? How many birds are there? Oh, there's one. But there's another one. Can you find the other bird? There it is, by the flowers. These are hummingbirds. Did you know hummingbirds are small, but they flap their wings really fast, faster than any other birds? And did you also know hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards? Wow, hummingbirds are really cool. But some swim. Ooh, look at these ducks. Did you know not only can ducks fly, but they're also really good swimmers? And others run. Look at this bird. It's a road runner. It looks like it's running really fast. Birds may flock together. Ooh, look at all of these little blackbirds. Some are on the tree, some are on the ground, but they flock together. That means they live together in a community and they travel together as a group. Or live alone. Yep, some birds live alone, like this owl. Can you find the owl? There it is! There's the owl. Owls are thought to be really wise birds. They're really great hunters too. Birds use their bills to gather food. Do you know what bills are? They're beaks. Look, these birds have different shaped beaks. The shape of their beaks actually helps them to eat the type of foods that they eat. This one eats insects. This one eats seeds. This one likes fish. This one eats the nectar out of flowers. This one eats berries. They sing to let other birds know how they feel, like these two birds. Ooh, look at that pretty blue one. And this brown one is cool too. Although these birds look different from each other, they're the same type of birds. The blue one is singing so that the brown one knows how it feels. Do you think the bluebird is happy? Birds come in all sizes. Some birds are really small. Other birds are really big. Wow, look at the wingspan on this eagle. That's a very big bird. And because its wings are so big, it can fly really high into the sky. Birds are important to us. That's right. Even us humans depend on birds because birds help to pollinate flowers, and that helps more flowers to grow and food to grow as well. Other birds help to control how many insects are around us. Whatever they do, all birds were created for a purpose, and their purpose, just like ours, is very important. Did you enjoy this story and the pictures about birds? Well, guess what? If you log on to macandvia.com, you will find many more books about birds and other animals too. If you want to know how to log into Macandvia, just stay tuned and I'll give you instructions. Thank you once again for joining me with another wonderful read-along with Mr. Gaynair. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. To access our online library, we are going to go to macandvia.com. Once you get to macandvia.com, you're going to go ahead and enter in your login information. Start by searching for our school, Miami Union. After typing in Miami Union, two choices will come up. The Miami Union Academy 9 to 12 is our online library for our high school students. Miami Union Academy, North Miami, is our online library for kindergarten to 8th grade. Your user ID is going to be your student ID number. Middle school and high school students can find their ID number on their student ID. All other students can contact their teacher or the office for their ID number. Your password will be MackinVia. MACKINVIA, all lowercase. Go ahead and click Login. Once you log on, you will be provided with a list of current resources that have been uploaded to the database. If you click the Home button, it will take you to a list of books and resources that are popular. If you click on eBooks, it will provide you with those electronic books that you have access to. You have the ability to lower your search options by going to Advanced Search. One of the best tools to use when looking for a book to read for leisure is to sort books based on your reading level. Now, the only ebooks that will show are those that are specifically written for my reading level. Just click the green box to open the book, and you can easily navigate by clicking the arrow to move between pages. But guess what? If you need assistance in reading, some books will provide you with the reading assistance.
Achoo! Achoo! Baby Bear sneezed. He rubbed his itchy.
If you need to move between different chapters or different pages, just click Table of Contents. If you want to exit the book, just go back and close Book. It will take you back to your main page. If you do not have an Open Now option, some books need to be checked out because only one person can read it at a time. In that case, you would just click the Checkout box. If it's a book that you really enjoy, you also have the option of adding it to your favorites by clicking the Add to Favorites box. Another great search option is to click the Categories box and search for reading materials based on your interest. For example, if you're interested in animals, click the Animal category box and all of the available resources for that category will come up. Our online library, supported by Mac and Via, has plenty of resources to fill your time for leisure reading and for research.